All right, we're up the Delaware River again today. Here we are, we're at the Delaware. I just caught a decent walleye here. Here he is. It's probably about 29 inches. It's a pretty good one. Hoo-wee. Right there you can see. Right there you can see the tail. Just probably 28 3/4, 29. 28 3/4 inches, 29. It's a beauty. Let's go see if we can get another one in here. Probably gonna let this one go anyway. He's a big breeder. Let's put him back. Whew, that's a slammer. I can't even get it in the film. Dang. He's a beauty. Let's let him go. Went back out into the hole. That was fun. Nice quiet day. There's an eagle up in the tree here. Let's see if we can see him. Oh, he just took off flying. Well, let's go see if we could get some fish. All right, here we go. Just picked up another one. This one's probably about 19, 20. We'll put the stick on it. Where is he? Right there. Well, they gotta be 18 inches. So, oh yeah, this guy is, he's about 21 and a half. That one's gonna go home for supper. Hoo-wee. So we got a 29 and a 21 and a half. We're doing pretty good. All right, let's keep it rolling. Get some more. Sunny day too. It's about 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. Unbelievable, they just turned on. It was cloudy and early this morning and nothing. And now, they're turning on. Someone's coming up the river.
It's a legendary Sasquatch.
Walking around. Anyhow, let's go get some more. Let's get some walleyes. Yeah, cool. There's what he hit. Right there. Just a rubber worm. Let's measure him, see how big it is. Oh, he's just under. He's not gonna make it. Let's get a good measurement on this guy. Boy, it's close. It looks maybe like he's just gonna make it. I gotta get a good measurement. We might be throwing this guy back. Okay, we got another one there. Okay, it's just short. He's got a little piece of his tail nipped off, if you can see. Right on the end there. Makes him short. Let him go to catch for another day. Let's go put it back. Come on, buddy. So long. There he goes. We got another one. We're gonna get the stick out and give him a measurement. See if we can take him home for supper. All right, we got the stick out. Let's see. I think this one's a keeper. He's Oh yeah, this one's pretty good. That one's about 23. Yeah, that's a pretty good one there. So we'll take him home and eat him. Here we go. I just got another one. But this guy is smaller. He's gonna be let go. Looks to be, uh-oh, I'm caught in the bushes. He only looks to be about probably 16 inches. He's just a little guy. We're gonna throw him back. So long. There's our keepers out in the water. A couple of them there. Anyway, let's get another one. We're allowed 3. So let's get another one. What a beautiful day it turned into. It's unreal. Big eagle just flying over. That was cool. Oh, he's coming back. Young one. What a beautiful day. Here's our fish. All right, here we are. I just picked up another one. This one's about 19 inches right here on the bottom. About 19 and a quarter. So that's it for me. I'm going to pick them up, put them on the stringer with the other couple that I got right here, and that's going to be a day up on the Delaware. This is it. Beautiful. What a good day. Okay. Whew, it was a good one. Caught a nice 29-inch walleye. And I got some, and I got a couple keepers to take home. I'll show you in a second as soon as I get my jacket off. Wow, what a beauty of a day. There they are. It's nothing better than a stringer full of walleyes. Look at those babies. That was good. Let's see if I can angle this camera a little bit better. Try and get a better picture. There they are. Whew, what a day we had. We let a couple small ones go, and we let that big giant one go. But these are killers. There's a couple 23, 22, and a 19. They're beauties. Check them out. Hoo-wee. All right, let's go clean them. Okay, here we are again. We're up at the Delaware River. Me and Mike Klikus. What do you think, Mike? You think we're going to get them today?
I hope so. Looks like a great day.
I hope so too, buddy.
Yep.
Boy, it looks nice out there, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's go fishing. Okay, here we go. We're up the Delaware River. We got Mike Klikus. He's got a fish on. We're going to see what it is.
Oh, yeah. It's a good one, Jay.
All right, we'll get over there. Keep them coming.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yep, good.
It's over 20.
All right, we'll get it in. Bring them in. Oh yeah, that's a beauty.
I hope we can get them in here.
You'll get it. Yeah, that's a good one, buddy. That's like the one I got yesterday. That's a good one. Bring it in. Bring it over this way.
Up on the beach here.
Yeah, okay.
I hope he's hooked good.
Bring him over.
He's off.
All right, barely got him by the tail.
Get him up here.
Get your...
Get him up. Give him a little kick.
Well, good job, buddy. That was a killer.
Yeah.
Lay your rod on the ground there.
Good thing you were there, bud.
You'd have got him.
No, I wouldn't have. Ooh, that's mud.
How was that, buddy? That's a nice walleye.
Nice walleye. That's a beauty, Jay. What is he, about 24, 25?
I'd say about 27.
Wow.
We're going to measure it here in 1 minute,
Yeah.
and we'll see. All right, good job, man.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. What do you think?
Oh, that was a dandy, Jay. That was 28.5 inches. Beautiful walleye. Probably 6, I would say 6 pounds.
Hold it up.
Beautiful walleye on the Delaware here this morning. Nice walleye. Beauty.
That's a killer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go get more.
All right, let's see what we can do.
Oh, it's cold out here. It's becoming above freezing though. The eyes on the rod aren't froze up still. Get another one, Mike. Pair of eagles flying away. Big bald eagle. Across the river over in the tree. All right, we just picked up another one here with Mike. A couple guys showed up. He's short though. We're gonna let him go. Put him back in the water. Come on, little fella. And there he goes. He's gone.
Jay, how's it look?
Got 18 and a quarter.
18 and a quarter.
Keeper.
Good one. Oh, yeah.
Let's put him on the stringer, huh?
Yeah, good eater.
Yeah.
All righty. On the Delaware with Jake.
Here we go. We got
Here
one
we
on.
go. We got one on here. He's bringing them in.
Try to get
Got a
it
boy,
in.
Jay. Work them. Keep them coming. Nice
Looks like
job,
it might
buddy.
be a keeper.
Nice job. Looks like a good one.
I don't know. It looks short.
Looks short. Okay.
Let's see. There
Oh,
he is.
yeah. Yep. That's a
All
beauty.
right. Okay, there you go. We had a couple days out on the Delaware River. Caught a whole bunch of walleyes. It was a good couple days with Captain Mike Klikus from the Finhooker Charter. It was dynamite. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a good day.